Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this week we're going to learn something known as string craft for beginners. It's really beginner friendly, so you don't have to fret. Just an advisory that if you're trying this with your kids, please sit with them because it involves the use of a hammer. So just be careful during this aspect of the project. All the materials required are listed below in the description box, so do give it a read. Items like MDF board, string, nails, hammer, uh, glue, scissor, etc. Will be required to make this project. For the details, please read the caption. What we're going to do is first choose your base. Now I had these templates ready of different patterns. So using carbon paper, I have simply traced out a parachute or a hot air balloon template on my MDF base. You don't need this. If you're good with drawing, you can make this freehand using a pencil directly on the MDF board. What I have done is I had this pre-printed template, so I'm just going over that over the carbon paper, and I'm going to mark it at spaces with dots. These dots are where the nails are going to be hammered. Now if you're doing this freehand, you will just have to take an estimation on how far do you need one nail from the other to be, and take that call. If you're a beginner, don't place the nails too closely to each other, which means that don't place these dots too closely to each other. Otherwise, it will get very difficult to hold down the nails and hammer it, which I realized later on as it was getting difficult with this one also in certain places towards the end. You can find many such tutorials on my channel, so if you still haven't subscribed, don't forget to do so. Once you're done drawing, lift up your carbon paper, and this is what your drawing is going to look like. Bring out your nails and hammer, and now this is the most interesting part. Wherever you have drawn these dots, put one nail and start hammering it down, but don't hammer it so much that the nail pierces through the MDF board. So while you're selecting the MDF board also, make sure that your board is not extremely thin, and keep repeating that until you cover all the dots as shown in the video here. So I've gone one step ahead and done something which is not compulsory, but I highly recommend it. Is I've taken some Fevicol and I have applied small dots at the base of these nails to give it extra strength, and I've let it dry before I started the string work on this project. Now pick out your favorite thread and make a little knot like this. Don't pull the ends together. So first we are going to, this hole that is created, we are going to attach it on top of the string like shown, and then pull the ends together so that the knot forms around the nail for a better grip. And now start winding the thread around nails as shown in the video. I would recommend to start covering the boundaries and then go in whichever direction you want to fill the inside part of it. The colors that you pick, the patterns that you wish to go choose, or the direction that you want to go into is completely up to you. And I have used 3 colors in this project. You can use even 2 or even more than 3. That's completely your choice. So I chose a pastel green and a pastel yellow to go for the basket, and a purple, a lavender purple for the hood. And I still wanted to add another element, so I removed white felt and I made clouds on this using a black sketch pen, and I further went ahead and cut it out. Stick the clouds on the background using Fevicol and your piece will be ready. If you like what you're watching, don't forget to like, share, follow, subscribe to my channel for more such content, and let me know what you think of this tutorial in the comments. If there is something that you want to learn, then drop your suggestions in the comments and maybe I will teach that next time. So stay tuned and see you next week. I hope you like this tutorial. Thank you for watching once again.